Good morning, students. Welcome to Gyan Jyoti online classes, class 8, English book, chapter 5, The Big Race. The Big Race. This is the life story or biography of the writer Ruskin Bond, who is Anglo-Indian. He was in the north of India, and he had wrote many poems and stories, and very good writer. And sometimes the writer writes about their own biography, own childhood, and in this chapter we shall see what he was in childhood. We shall see, and all these things he explains very beautifully. I think this may be good for the small kids, those who like to act. Let's start in this chapter. The topic is the big race, not the human race, but the competition of a small insect. Yeah, and here the writer and with his friends and how they had the race. Let's start and without delay. So I was awakened by the sound of a hornbill honking in the banyan tree. I means writer Ruskin Bond. Awaken means arise or woke off, arose or woke up by the sound of a hornbill. Hornbill is a bird. You know, in next lesson what I will teach you. There you can see one of the picture. This is called hornbill. Yeah. The next chapter what I will teach you. Hornbill is a bird. You can see. This is a songbird, bird, tropical bird, a large curved beak. Yeah. Honking means making sound in the banyan tree, and sometimes bird and animals, maybe crow, they arose the human being. Yeah. So by the sound of this bird, the writer got up. Okay. I lay in bed looking through the open window. Now from the window, the writer observed. He was sleeping, and after getting up, he came to the window and saw what? At the early morning, sunshine cracked off the wall. Early morning sunshine. Yeah, early morning sunshine. You know, the सुबह का जो किरण है, early morning sunlight crept off means slowly moved off. Yeah, the wall. I knew it was the holiday. Holiday is a day of enjoy. Yeah, enjoying Sunday, and that there was something important to be done that day. Yeah, Sunday or holiday means special day. You can enjoy. How you spend, I don't know, but how Ruskin Bond enjoyed the Sunday. Let's discuss today. Sometime I could not quite remember what it was then. As the room got brighter, morning time, room got brighter because day from dawning, the beginning of morning, beginning of day, and the morning time, sun rises, the light and the house become more darker, got dark, brighter, and the hornbill stopped his noise. Hornbill, this bird, stopped his sound. I remembered, okay, means morning arose. So writer describe this beginning of the day to explain something is something is going to do. Let's see what he has the plan. It was the day of the big race. Yeah, what is the day? Big race day. A competition है. किसका competition है? Let's see these insects, so small creatures competition. Let's see. I leaped out of bed. It means leaped out means jump out of bed or jump from this bed or come out from this bed. Pulled open the dressing table. Yeah, means in the dressing table a pull means khijna. Let's see, drawer, and brought out a cardboard box. What was inside this? Cardboard box. The box made of cardboard, that is cardboard box, and punctured with little holes. In this box, why punctured? Means holes. This cardboard is punctured that to get air. Yeah, we need air to survive. Yeah, without oxygen cannot live. Not only human being, but also all creature needs air. Yeah. So I opened the lid to see if Maharani was alright. Let's see Who was inside this? Maharani, one of the inside. What the Maharani is? Maharani is a bamboo beetle. Maharani is bamboo beetle. कीड़ा है जिसको कि रस्किन बॉन्ड राइटर घर में रखे हैं, कंपटीशन के लिए उसको तैयारी कर रहे हैं, रोज इसको दौड़ा रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं। चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है। महारानी माई बम्बू बीटल, बांस में रहने वाला एक कीड़ा है, ठीक है। वह स्लीप ऑन द कोर ऑफ एन एप्पल, या इसको कहाँ रखा गया है? उसके अंदर छोटा सा एप्पल का टुकड़ा है, या कोर ऑफ एन एप्पल, यू कैन सी। और ये कीड़ा इसमें एप्पल खा खा के अंदर बॉक्स अंदर है, क्योंकि कोर मीन्स इनसाइड पार्ट और डेप्थ ऑफ द एप्पल सर्वाइव बिकॉज ऑफ एन एप्पल। ओके, I had given her a week's rigorous training for the monsoon beetle race. I had given her a weeks. Weeks means whole 7 days. What practice? Do you know? In all things needs practice. Either song, either dance, either examination or any job needs practice. No practice makes a man perfect. You know proverb. So everything needs. So writer also tell that I practice this insect every day. What? Rigorous means extremely careful, or very carefully practice. Training for the monsoon better rains. Do you know monsoon means this very rain off, full of rain. Rain means monsoon मतलब मौसमी बारिश. Monsoon means coming rain, coming day. Okay, what better? Let's see. And she was enjoying a well-earned rest. Who was taking rest? This Maharani पूरा एप्पल का अंदर आराम कर रही है, क्या? Yes, and she was enjoying a well-earned rest before the big event. What event? Big race. She is enjoying life. I did not disturb her. Okay, let her sleep. I don't disturb her. Let her sleep, and we shall go for a race. Let's see. Closing the box. Which box? Cardboard box. What is inside the Maharani? Yeah, in this core of the apple, yeah, I crept out of the house. Hello, घर में बिना पता के, क्योंकि पापा मम्मी ऐसे अननेसेसरी गेम के लिए परमिशन नहीं देंगे, तो राइटर चुपके से गए। आई डोंट टीच यू दैट, अभी पेरेंट्स को नहीं बता के जाओगे, अच्छी बात नहीं है, या इट्स नॉट गुड। बट राइटर kept out of the house by the back door without informing the parent. Yeah, I didn't want my parents to see me. If they see, them not allowed. Sneaking off means leave furtively to the municipal park at that early hour. Early means morning time. कहाँ गया वो? Municipal park. Municipal park is government park. Yeah, for the children. Park is for amusement, for entertainment, or for exercise and to play. And here they have planned to have the big race. Yeah. When I reached the gardens, which garden? Municipal park garden. The early morning sun was just beginning to make emeralds of the dewdrops. Emeralds of the morning scenery is so beautiful. Writer described this morning time very nicely. How emerald is the very green color diamond, sorry, green color gold, sorry, green color stone. Yeah, green precious stone is called emerald of the dewdrops. यहाँ पानी का जो बूंद है, dewdrops, it's looking like the very costly gems, very precious gems. Yeah, and the grass was cool, very nice morning. Maybe the winter time or the very cool time. Yeah, maybe winter time. And springy means elastic to my bare feet. Means writer had no any sandal, anything where खाली पैर में गए हैं. Let's see. A group of boys, yeah, group of boys, many collective now, had gathered in a corner of the garden. Corner में वो लोग थे, and among them were Kamal and Anil, two more contestants. Mean in this big race, 3 persons are there to have this insect race, and you have to know the 3 person, Kamal and Anil and writer. You have to know Kamal, Anil and writer. Kamal, Sunil and writer. Writer name is interesting, but you will okay. 3 persons, their insects have this big race. One is black rhino beetle. Yeah, what's the favorite? What the is beetle name? Rhino beetle. R-H-I-N-O beetle. Beetle. Okay, rhino beetle. What the favorite? It was a big beetle with an aggressive forehead. Do you know aggressive forehead rather like its owner? Yeah, like his owner's aggressive forehead means forward pushy, something not offensive or something odd. Yeah, which aggressive means which attack. It's not too obedient. Maybe aggressive means something out of peace. Okay. Let's see. It was called Black Prince. इसका नाम क्या दिया गया है? Black Prince means male one. And writer's insect name is Maharani. Maharani. And it is what beetle? Bamboo beetle. You have to know the names. Bamboo beetle. Let's see 2 persons. ये सब याद रखना है. Kamal's beetle was quite an ordinary in size, छोटा मोटा था उसका, but it possessed a long pair of whiskers. Whiskers means उसका लंबा जो मूंछा था. या whiskers मतलब एक कीड़ा है, मान लीजिए, तो इसका लंबा मूंछा वाला कीड़ा है. ऐसा वाला कीड़ा है जिसका मूंछा बहुत सारा है. 2 मूंछा वाला कीड़ा है. Yes, a long pair of whiskers. Though whisker means मूंछा. I suspected it belongs to the cockroach rather than the beetle family. कि whether this is not in the beetle family other than that. Okay, suspected means some doubt. And what's called मूंछा in Hindi mustache. इसका नाम क्या था? मूंछा. मूंछा. कमल का जो कीड़ा का नाम है मूंछा. 3 कीड़े को लेके चलो उसका दौड़ चालू होगा. Let's see. There were 1 or 2 other countries. या और भी आए 1-2 ठोल कंपटीशन में, but none of them looked promising and interest centered on Black Prince. Mucha and my Maharani was still asleep on her apple core. Now there was 1 or 2 other entries और 1-2 भी आए कंपटीशन के लिए. क्यों कौन? But none of them looked promising means not worthy. It was not suitable for. Yeah, and interest concentrated on Black Prince. Yeah, Black Prince was smart. Of Anil, Bamboo beetle by Maharani, by writer Mucha of Kamal. Okay. So now also my writer's insect is sleeping in the inside of this apple core. Let's see. A few bets were being made. Oh, ये तो पूरा बाजी क्या बोलते हैं, बैट बोलने से जुआ या जो बाजी जो मतलब शर्त लगाते कि खेलते हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, उन लोग पैसा भी डाले हैं और क्या बोलते हैं मार्बल डाल के बोल रहे हैं कि जिसका जीतेगा वो जितना मार्बल है उसका होगा. एक शर्त लगा के गेम चालू हुआ है, इसमें पैसा भी खर्चा कर रहे हैं. या माय डियर, सो यू इन दिस स्टोरी आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी. Let's see the lesson or writer experience only. Let's see. So a few bets were being made and in coins and marbles. So पैसा भी लगाए उस खेल में, जो जीतेगा उसको इसी के अंदर. Let's see. And a prize for the winner was on display. First position, top prize. Okay, a great stag beetle, quite dangerous to look at, which would enable the winner to start a stable and breed beetles on the large scale. Yeah. Once again, prize for the winner was on a display. A great stag beetle. Stag beetle means just like deer had stag beetle. Yeah, just like it's an animal, quite dangerous to look at. Yeah, वो देखने में बहुत खतरे हैं. Which would enable the winner to start a stable. Stable means steady, no change, and breed beetles on a large scale. Yeah, breed beetles Breed beetles means the beetles which can be surviving, okay, and how they can survive. Now they have these animals, they are ready, they are going to ready these animals, and let's discuss. Now for this competition, 6 feet long, 6 feet, 6 feet मान लीजिए, 2 4 6 2 फीट 6 फीट का लंबा का एक ठो ट्रैक बनाया गया, ठीक है। ट्रैक्स वेर फेंस्ड विथ स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड सो दैट द कंटेस्टेंट वुड नॉट मूव ओवर द ईच अदर्स पाथ। 3 पिलर के लिए कार्डबोर्ड दिया गया है या कार्डबोर्ड से इसको लगाया गया है। सपोज दिस वन इन द कार्डबोर्ड, दिस वन इन द कार्डबोर्ड, दिस वन इन द कार्डबोर्ड, yeah, let's see, okay. So fenced with the strip of cardboard so that the contestant would not move over the each other's path or leave the course altogether. Cardboard मतलब ये कीड़ा जो इधर से आएगा इधर नहीं आएगा है ना, अपने ट्रैक पर उनको खुद दौड़ना है। Now they have made a platform for this competition, okay. They could only go forward or backward, या तो सीधा जाएंगे या पीछे जाएंगे, लेकिन चल के दूसरे जगह में ट्रैक में जाने हैं। This you know they have made this type of path for this competition, okay. They were held at the starting point by another piece of cardboard, या यहाँ पर एक और कार्डबोर्ड है, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में कार्डबोर्ड रखा गया है, या which would be the place behind them as soon as the race start, या उसके पीछे में उनको रखा जाएगा, कार्डबोर्ड के पीछे, place behind is उसके बैक साइड, okay. Then as soon as the race began, then see what happens. A Sikh boy, a little Sikh boy, एक पंजाबी लड़का भी है, in a yellow पायजामा या पायजामा ड्रेस पहना है पंजाबी, suit was acting as starter, उसको ड्यूटी दिया गया है। What was the duty given? Starter means he will watch this game, the competition between these animals, okay, and he kept blowing his whistle for order and attention. Now he will give whistle, then bird, the insect will what? Run when whistle blows. Do you know in the competition, in the race, PT sir give whistle? Have you seen? Yeah, in the same story. Eventually, he gained enough silence in which to announce the rules of the race. Eventually means then after. He told every person who were in this group to keep quiet, to listen the rules. Every competition and every game there is a rule. Then now what is the rules here told? Rule of the game, race. The contestant beetles were not to be touched. कोई भी competition करने वाले कीड़े को छूना नहीं है. First point, not to touch. Not to touch. First point. Second point, what is the rule? Let's see. Second point, blow from the behind. Blow from the behind. पीछे से फूकना भी नहीं है कीड़ा को भागने के लिए आगे। Second और point, I'm bribed. थर्ड में रिश्वत नहीं देना है, लालच देना है। बहुत सारे में क्या होता है, मैच फिक्सिंग और लालच कुछ भी करके भी कर सकते हैं। थर्ड नंबर रूल्स, यहाँ फॉरवर्ड विथ बिट्स ऑफ फूड, या सो दीज आर द 3 पॉइंट्स दे हैव टू फॉलो व्हाइल दे हैव द रेस, ओके। व्हाट दे शुड डू, ओनली मोरल assistance was allowed. Yeah, moral assistant means they can encourage how in the form of cheering and advice. They will tell, oh my dear insect, you rush, you try to run, you have to cheer, you have to clap, you have to jump, you have to be very much excited. That is okay in the time of game, but don't disturb these 3 points you have to follow. It's clear? Mucha and Black Prince were already at the starting point. Now Mucha is camels, and that rhino beetle, that black prince is Japanese, okay. So they have gone to the starting point, very nice. But Maharani seemed unwilling to leave her apple core. महारानी राइटर की जो कीड़ा है एप्पल के अंदर में मजा आ रहा है, वो निकलने के लिए पसंद नहीं है। एंड आई हैड टू ड्रैग हर एट द स्टार्टिंग पोस्ट, ड्रैग हर मीन्स पुल हर टू स्टार्टिंग पोस्ट, देयर वर फर्दर डिले, फिर भी लेट की वो। When Mucha got his whiskers entangled, entangled means caught in the legs of the rival. Now, जैसे लाए मूछा और एक कीड़ा दोनों फंस गए हैं, या entangled means caught in the legs of a rival. Rival means those who come for competition, but they soon separated. Now these two insects were separated from each other. And the beetles placed in separate lanes. Yeah, the lane number 1 or lane number 2 or lane number 3 in this way they were arranged like this for the race. Yeah, the race was about to start. Do you know? In PT Saraiso, Anumar said, "Go." In this way they say. Now I don't know what they say here. Now Kamal sat on his haunches. Haunches position. The thigh position, just like your this portion comes down, yeah, half sitting, that is called haunches. Very quiet and serious. Kamal बहुत क्या है? You should know Kamal's insect is Mucha. Anil's insect is the black bees. You have to know the names. And writers Musaji Maharani. You have to read. So Kamal, let's see, very serious. What happened to him? Looking from Mucha to the finishing line and back again. Looking from Mucha to the finishing line and back again. Yeah, Mucha से लेकर आगे को देखना, आखिरी पॉइंट को finishing line and went again means back again. I was beating my nails. Writer, who writer? Oh, my insect is not still now not doing anything. Anil's bushy eyebrow were bunches together in a score. अभी रेडी हो रहे हैं जाने के लिए। अनिल का जो क्या है क्या? Black bees what? Bushy eyebrows. Whatever bushy means बहुत घना eyebrow है. Were bunched together in a score. Score means an angry and bad temper expression. Scowl means angry and bad temper expression. Yeah, there was a tense hush among the spectators. Spectators means audience. Everyone in this race, they are quiet. Stop talking. There was tense hush. Silence, total silence. Yeah, everyone is silent now. Then here the little sick boy, and the whistle, peep, peep, went the whistle. As whistle blew, they were off. These insects were off from this track and they are rushing towards the goal, to the finishing point. Or rather, Mucha and Black Prince were off. Who? Mucha and Black Prince from Anil and Kamal and Anil going speedily, yeah, but what happened to Maharani? Maharani सो रही है. Let's see, because Maharani was still at the starting post, wondering what had happened to her apple को. खाने में मस्ती, उसका एप्पल को छुड़ा के राइटर छिपा दिए हैं. बेचारी खाने के लिए चिंता कर रही है, दौड़ने की बात तो दूर की बात. Maharani is very worried. Where is my eating item? Maharani searching for its food. Let's see. Everyone was cheering madly. Oh, this game was very exciting. Everyone in the josh. Very exciting to see that all the insects they are rushing fast and very much in the excited mood. Anil jumping about. Anil पूरा खुशी से पूरा कूद रहा है कि मेरा जो Black Prince से सबसे आगे है. It's too much happy. And Kamal shouting himself horse, or he also Kamal also shouting horse means hopping, shouting that oh my insect really fast. They are more excited. Do you know in the time of game, very excitement, शोर शराबा बहुत हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पर बहुत जोश में आ गए हैं. Mucha was going at a spranking rate. Spranking rate means very high speed, very fast race. पूरा जल्दी से भाग रहा है Mucha. Black Prince really was not taking much interest in the proceeding. Black Prince और उसके पीछे पीछे धीरे धीरे आ रहा है और कमल का मुच्छा आगे बढ़ रहा है. Let's see. Yeah, but at least he was moving. But both are one was means mucha Kamal's insect is going fast. Yeah, 2 feet. 2 feet means यहाँ तक देखिए कहाँ तक आ गया. Let's see. And everything could happen in a race of this nature. It was in a furious temper. Furious temper means extremely angry scenery. In a furious temper मतलब सब में पूरा जोश है. क्या? All the coaching I had given Maharani appeared to be of no use. राजा थोड़ी इतना मैं मेहनत कराया. I did a lot tasks. लेकिन महारानी तो चल नहीं रही है. आपका पेरेंट इतना खर्चा करके पढ़ा रहे हैं लेकिन परीक्षा में फेल हो जाओगे तो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स क्या तुमको खुश होंगे? द राइटर इतना प्रैक्टिस कराए लेकिन महारानी बेचारी नॉट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. ऑल द कोचिंग आई हैड गिवन महारानी appeared to be of no use. She was still looking confused, thinking that what happened to me? And little resentful means bitter. Resentful means bitter at having been deprived of her apple means taken off or suffering a severe of her apple. Oh my apple, where is my apple? मेरी महारानी क्यों नहीं जा रही है? कि महारानी की जो एप्पल को राइटर ले गए नाराज होकर नहीं दौड़ रही है बेचारी. महारानी सर्चिंग इट्स एप्पल बट अदर टू इंस्टेड हैव अप्रोच्ड टू मच. नाउ महारानी this bamboo beetle is still waiting. Yeah. Then Mucha suddenly stopped. Where? About 2 feet from the finishing point. 6 में से लगभग यहाँ पर आके Mucha रुक गया. आगे को नहीं बढ़ रहा है. यहाँ about 2 feet from the finishing line. जैसे कि 6 फीट में से 2 तो 4 चले गया है और फिर 2 फीट 6 फीट हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर आगे रुक गया है. Mucha आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है. He seemed to be having trouble with his whiskers while on the rush because of this whiskers. Mucha disturb कर रहा है. Yeah, this is even disturbance on this way. Yeah, and kept twitching means quick movement. Then this way and that. Quick means twitching means giving disturbance. Okay. Yeah, kept twitching them. Twitching them is quick movement. Making sudden quick movements. Then this way and that way. Yeah, this way that means तो इधर जा रहा है इधर जा रहा है. Not unable to go to this finishing point. That means. But Black Prince was catching up inch by inch. यहाँ पर Black Prince क्या है धीरे धीरे कर inch by inch ऊपर आता है. You know 1 inch मुश्किल में Black Prince पीछे धीरे धीरे slowly this insect is approaching. Yeah. And both Anil and Kamal were hoping about with excitement. They think that our insect will reach, our insect will come to this top position. They are too much excited. Let's see. Nobody was paying any attention to Maharani. Maharani अभी भी चुपचाप एग्जाम में है. Nobody thought about Maharani. This insect is that in the starting point who was looking suspiciously at the other beetles in the rear. Now Maharani is suspiciously doubtfully looking at these 2 insects already gone. Yeah. In the rear means back part. Yeah. Maharani had some doubt that 2 of the contestants they have already gone. Then she, no doubt, she suspected from them of having something to do with the disappearance of her apple. Now, why Maharani suspect? Because her apple is disappeared. मीन्स महारानी का इतना खाने का जो मज़ा था महारानी बोल रही कि मेरा खाना चले गया. कि मुझे खाना होता तो मैं क्या करता खाता या जो खाता सोता रोता. तो महारानी यही सोच के कि डाउट दैट वेयर इज माय आइटम ऑफ ईटिंग. या Maharani was looking suspiciously at the other beetles in the rear. Okay, no doubt he suspected them of having something to do with the disappearance of her apple. I begged her to make an effort. I miss writer today, my dear, do something. You are just there, or 2 of the insects they have already gone. It was with difficulty that I prevented myself from giving her a push. That I prevent me stop. If I touch this insect means I would have disqualified. So writer stopped his hand to touch this insect, okay? But that would have meant disqualification, that's why. Then she student, as Black Prince drew level with Mucha, yeah, as Black Prince drew level with Mucha, yeah, Black Prince इंच करके कहाँ तक आ गया, लगभग यहाँ पर आ गया. This Black Prince also came to this level with Mucha. He stopped and appeared to be inquiring about his rival's whiskers. Now this insect is searching its whisker. रुक के इसका मुच्छा तो छूने ले जा रहा है. You're not thinking about the competition of finishing of the point. This insect also finding the other contestants mucha. Yeah, that's it. Anil and Kamal now became very more frantic that our insect cannot compete. Fear, frantic means fear. In their efforts to encourage their racers, they try to encourage that our insect, please go, please go, please go. But and cheering on all sides was deafening. Yeah, deafening means impossible to hear. They're not clear to listen. Yeah, what they could act. Let's see. Maharani enraged, got angry, and having been deprived of her apple core, महारानी खुश नहीं है कि उसका एप्पल को लिया गया. That's why in anger, at having been deprived means suffering of a severe of her apple core, now decided to make a bid for liberty. Yeah, that what I need some freedom, attempt for freedom, rushed forward in great style that I will run. Maharani had the hand started its effort to run, that I need freedom. Anyway, I don't want any apple, no problem, but I will proceed on. Then see, everyone cheered the gallant outsider. Let's see, okay, sorry. I gave a cry of joy. Next paragraph. I gave a cry of joy when Maharani started it running from the starting point. Writer thought, oh, my anyway, mindset. Maharani started the race. But the others did not notice this new challenge until Maharani had drawn level with her rivals. उन लोग ध्यान देने की कीड़ा इधर से आ रहा है, उन लोग सोच रहे हैं दो कीड़ा आगे पहुंच जाएंगे, but Maharani with great speed coming towards this level of this another insects. Okay, कीड़ा उनके बराबरी में पहुंच रहा है, उनको ध्यान भी नहीं दिए. Let's see, Maharani had drawn level with her rivals, means two rivals, those combatants. He came near them. Okay, there was a gasp of surprise. Gasp means open breathing of surprise from the spectators, means everyone breathing very deeply. And Maharani dashed across the finishing line in record time. Now Maharani defeated these two insects and came forward and touched this finishing line at great speed and got the first position. Two beetles, one is Black Prince and Mucha. They defeated, and Maharani, the record breaker speed, came and touched the finishing point. Everyone cheered the gallant outsider. Who is gallant outsider? Yeah, insider the insect, outsider is the writer, or the master of the insect is writer. Gallant means heroic or brave. Yeah, who is hero here? Writer. Yeah. Anil and Kamal very sportingly shook my hand. Sportingly means they were not jealous. कभी कभी देखना, कभी हार जाते हैं तो मुंह फुला के बोलते हैं जीत गया, मैं हार गया बोल के इससे बात नहीं करते हैं. दैट इज नॉट गुड. हारने से भी जो जीतने वाले को आपको क्या करना, विश करना है. स्पोर्टिंगली मीन्स displaying sportsmanship, an attitude of fair play and showing respect to the opponent even if one is losing. That is called true sportsmanship. हारने वाले जीतने वाले को विश करना है, बधाई देना है कि कंग्रेचुलेशन, यू ओवरकम, यू गॉट विक्ट्री. That is called true sportsmanship. So we can see Anil and Kamal came and wish the writer shook my hand, means shook writer hand and congratulated me on my methods. Coins and marbles passed from hand to hand. या इसमें जो बाजी लगाए हैं, बैट्स खेले हैं, मतलब जो पैसा डाले हैं, सब किसके हाथ में आ रहा है? राइटर के हाथ में. द लिटिल सिख बॉय, पंजाबी बॉय, blew his whistle for silence, told silence all of you, and presented me with the first prize. Oh, writer got first prize for this competition. Last paragraph, I examined the new beetle with respect and gently stroked its hard, smooth back. Now, the writer gave more credit to this insect. बोले वाह, thank you. इसको शाबाशी दे. क्या? I examined the new beetle with respect, yeah, and gently stroked its hard, smooth back. Gently stroke means very soft stroke in its hard and smooth back. Then in case Maharani should feel jealous, otherwise Maharani think that you are not giving me credit, I put away the prize beetle and returned Maharani to her apple core. Yeah, I put away the prize means I kept somewhere else and I kept this Maharani inside the apple core because Maharani needed apple to eat. It's okay. I was determined that. What the determination? I was determined that I would not indulge in any favoritism. I would not means I will not once again join. Indulge means enjoy the pleasure of in any practice of giving unfair preferential treatment. Yeah, I will not be dishonest. Means I determined that I will be very honest in any favoritism means any type of this type of unfair treatment. Yeah, so I treat this insect very well, and in this conclusion we see how the writer in a childhood memory he very beautifully described the big race. And writer, we hope that lesson is a very childish lesson, and I hope the lesson I have narrated and described by this story, and I hope that you have understood. Read well, read and practice to answer any question is arose. Okay, I hope you. Good day, goodbye.